interesting category, close to my heart, women startup entrepreneur. And it goes to Kushuk Singh and Ameya Fashions, of Ameya Fashions. The next award is for innovation in agriculture machinery, and it goes to Mr. Manar Patel, Manan Patel of Winsprise Agrotech India Private Limited. Mr. Manan Patel. Sorry, it's Inspire, right? Winspire. Winning Inspiration, Winspire, Agriculture. The next award is for the best startup in occupational healthcare category, and it goes to Dr. Gauhar Azad of Global Brothers Health Services Private Limited. The next award is for the best corporate social responsibility initiative. It goes to ANK, Ank. Mr. Abhishek. I've always believed that IT is not information technology, but intelligence technology. And the next award goes to, for people who are making this information technology really exceptional, is Software Business Solutions Consulting. The company representative, please. You are getting the award for the best exceptional services. Syed sir talked about gig economy, about outsourcing. And I've always believed that business people outsourcing is not BPO, but business people outstanding. So the best quality BPO organization in the RPO services goes to Premium Customer IT Services Limited. The next award goes for brand disruption. It goes to Mr. Rahul Anand of Interactive Eye. I love the next category. It's for the best mentorship for startups, and it goes to Messrs. Amit Mishra of 100 Ventures. Amit Mishra. He's ex-Naukri.com. Okay. That's it. The next award is for promoting of the startup ecosystem in India. It goes to IndianBureaucracy.com, Mr. Saurabh Sinha of Indian Bureaucracy. The next award goes to for the most innovative startup business model in the diagnostic centers. It goes to Healthians. Healthians, please. Diagnostic. The next award goes for the most best leadership and talent acquisition in technology. It goes to Mr. Abhishek Agarwal of Judge Group India. Mr. Abhishek Agarwal. Human resources. And if you can't manage humans, what can you manage? The best award for human resource leadership goes to Mr. Devesh Kumar of Software Business Solutions Consulting. It all starts from the top, right? The next award is for the best leadership coaching for organization development, and it goes to Messrs. Shipra Singh of Elements of Progress Facilitators Private Limited. Thanks to Baba Ramdev, Ayush Lever is there, right? So next award goes for brand creation for online portal for natural medicine, Be with the Nature. It goes to Mr. Saurabh Sengupta of Pink Shastra. Kapil Goyal. अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है for HR services payroll. The next award goes for that organization which offers the most critical part of services, which is HR services, payroll, consulting and software for label compliance. It goes to Intero Solutions Private Limited. Mr. Kapil Goyal of Intero. And I've always believed that WWW is not World Wide Web, is Win with Wisdom. And the next set of awards is for those people who have shared their wisdom as speakers today. Monica Makkar, who shared about happiness. Amit Mishra, okay. Mr. Amit Mishra, who started the ball rolling by bringing in sensibility about startup culture. Mr. Amit Mishra. Practice what you preach, hands to practice. Mr. Abhay Ahuja, who shared practicality of learning from robots also. Akshay Ahuja. Yeah. And funds, how to manage those funds, Kapil Goyal. ब्रांड के बारे में बात की थी कुमार दवेश ने किस बारे में बात की थी and how do you handle the HR part of it, marriage, getting to understand people. Kumar Devesh, Mr. Kumar Devesh, please. After your speech, sir, I'm married to my business. अच्छा क्या बात की थी Mr. Vivek Kumar is not amongst us. He had to leave early for a flight. But the next award goes for the one who talked about Venture Garage, Mr. Vivek Kumar.
Most of the day he did the speaking. No, I'll not let him do this. Mr. Anshumali Saxena for speaking on growth hacking. Now, the last award for the day, we'd like to honor Mr. Syed Safvi. I'd like Mr. Talis and Jafar Naqvi to please present the award to Mr. Syed Safvi. A huge round of applause, everyone.
Everyone to join us on the stage with Mr. Safvi.
All the awardees and the speakers, please
for a group photograph.
For a good group photograph
along with your trophies, if you can carry them along
on the stage.
Please.
Selecting the right kind of people for this prestigious award and bringing us all together under one roof. Indeed, more than the award, what has been the experience, what I have learned is a kind of what is possible, the new opportunities, the kind of a spectrum of various different options possible for business, and of course meeting the best of the brains from across country in this room. I think I must thank, and we should give a round of applause to all the awardees.
Rahul, आगे Miss Syed Naqvi, आप आइए. Come with your father. He's as good as you. I've got twin daughters who are as big as her. so they're always there in every frame.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to India's first corporate news channel. We invite interviews, articles, press releases from your organization. Visit our portal www.indianconventions.com. Thank you.